In the beginning, everything starts with an empty piece of land. Before a single brick is laid, professionals begin with precise measurements and soil examination. The ground is surveyed using digital tools, ensuring accuracy down to millimeters. Wooden markers and boundary strings outline where the house will stand. Excavators slowly dig into the earth, forming trenches for the foundation. The soil is compacted to prevent future sinking or shifting. Next, workers install a steel rebar framework, the skeleton of the foundation. Every joint is tied securely, ensuring the foundation can handle pressure and weight. Concrete is poured carefully, layer by layer, allowing time for curing. The mixture spreads smoothly into the mold, sealing the steel reinforcement inside. Once cured, the foundation becomes a solid, unbreakable base, ready to support the structure that will rise above it. The blueprint comes alive, and the journey begins.
With the foundation complete, construction continues upward. Professionals begin by installing structural columns and beams made of reinforced concrete. These vertical and horizontal elements will support the weight of the roof and every brick wall. Now the brickwork begins. Bricks are placed carefully, one by one, with laser-level precision. A smooth mortar mixture acts as the bonding layer between each brick. The pattern is consistent, stable, and structurally aligned. Windows and door openings are reserved with exact measurement frames. Every wall is checked for alignment using laser guides, ensuring perfect straightness. The house slowly takes shape, solid, organized, and built with precision. At this stage, the structure shows its skeletal form, strong, stable, and ready for the next phase. Before surfaces are closed, the most critical internal systems are installed. Professionals place plumbing pipes inside the walls and floors, water supply, drainage lines, and ventilation ducts. Every connection is tested for leaks and durability. Next comes electrical wiring. Cables run through conduits, reaching outlets, light switches, and future appliances. The systems are designed with safety and efficiency as top priorities. Insulation material is installed inside the walls, helping maintain temperature control and reducing noise. This layer ensures the house will be energy efficient and comfortable to live in. Once all internal systems are checked and approved, the walls are ready to be sealed and finished.
Construction moves forward toward completion. A modern minimalist roof structure is installed, durable, weather-resistant, and designed to drain water efficiently. Flooring preparation begins with smoothing the surface, followed by tile, wood, or polished concrete installation. Plaster is applied to the brick walls, creating a smooth and even texture. Workers shape corners and surfaces with precision, ensuring flat and perfect alignment. Interior finishing continues with installation of doors, windows, ceilings, and lighting fixtures. Modern design elements combine function and style, simple lines, natural tones, and balanced proportions. Slowly, the house transitions from a raw structure into a livable space.
Now comes the final stage. The walls receive their final paint, clean, modern, and minimalistic. Cabinets, furniture frames, and built-in storage are installed with high precision. Outside, the landscaping begins. Grass, pathways, and decorative stone elements shape the environment around the house. The exterior becomes welcoming, elegant, and functional. Engineers perform the last comprehensive inspection, checking the structure, systems, finishes, and overall safety. Everything must meet professional building standards. Finally, the house stands complete. A modern minimalist brick home, solid, durable, elegant, and built to last for generations. The journey from bare land to a completed home is now finished, and every stage reflects craftsmanship, thoughtful design, and engineering excellence.